This 2025 CrossRoads Zinger 390DB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 42 feet 11 inches in length and features a granite gray interior, sleeps 8, oven, self-contained, water heater, spare tire kit, TV antenna, LP detector, awning, microwave, air conditioning, slide-out, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2025 CrossRoads Zinger 390DB is 10,880 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.